Hey guys, welcome back to Shiba Inu Crypto. This Shiba Inu coin pump is totally out of control. Shib news. Shiba Inu price had registered a substantial gain over the last week. However, in the last 24 hours, the coin moved down on its chart. The meme coin had broken past its cup and handle pattern that had been formed for the past several months. This had pointed towards signs of bullishness. Shiba Inu's pump is out of control and it's continuously rising higher. In this video, we will talk about this Shiba Inu coin pump is totally out of control. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content on Shiba Inu price predictions and expert analysis. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Despite a fall in Shiba Inu price, the coin's technical outlook remained positive. If Shiba Inu remains above the $0.000015 level, then the meme coin could trade near the $0.000021 price mark. This meant that Shiba Inu's price could rally by almost 50% in the upcoming days. Buying strength remained vital for the meme coin. There needs to remain considerable buying strength in the market for Shiba to maintain its uptrend. This rally happened after Binance announced that it would add Shib support to European payment cards. This has increased Shiba Inu's potential to help find new users in the crypto space. Shib was trading at $0.000015 at the time of writing. This is after the Shiba Inu price broke above the cup and handle pattern. Shiba Inu's cup and handle pattern mean bullish momentum for the coin. A push from the buyers can help Shiba Inu's price to propel higher. The immediate resistance for the coin stood at $0.000016. A fall from the current price level would drag the coin to $0.000009. The amount of Shib traded in the last trading session declined slightly, which meant that selling pressure increased slightly. Despite the falling in price, buying strength remained substantially high. The meme coin had registered overbought conditions. Buyers still dominated the market despite a small fall in Shiba Inu price. The relative strength index was above the 60 mark after it retraced from the 80 mark. Shib was still in the overvalued zone at the time of writing, even after the small retracement. Shib price was above the 20 SMA line, indicating buyers were driving market price momentum. Shib's technical indicators had pointed towards a rise in buying strength. The moving average convergence divergence depicts the price momentum and change. Directional movement index indicates the direction in which the asset's price is headed and also if there will be any reversals. The MI was positive as the DI line was above the minus DI line. The average directional index noted an uptick, which meant that the current price momentum had gained strength. Shib is currently one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies on the market. In the past couple days, there's been a rise in the price of the meme coin, which has recorded an increase of more than 30%. Peter Brandt is one of the most experienced analysts in the financial markets. He recently stated that Shiba Inu could rise. He shared his analysis via TradingView. In his latest technical analysis, Brandt said that Shib may have entered a bull cycle. David Gokhshtein, one of the well-known names in the crypto market, also pointed out that the rise in the price of Shib may continue. In his post on his personal social media account, Gokhshtein is the founder of Gokhshtein Media and a former US congressional candidate. He said, "Anyone watching Shib right now? It looks like it's fueling up for another leg." Shiba Inu has recently attracted the attention of whales, individual investors, and analysts. Shib transactions over $100,000 increased significantly in the last 4 months. In addition, Shiba Inu's activity on social media has increased significantly recently. Shib was trying to protect its gains. Shiba Inu, which rose from $0.000013 to $0.000018 with the trend it caught yesterday, is trading at $0.000016. Bitcoin, on the other hand, is trying to maintain the critical $24,000 level during the same hours. The leading cryptocurrency is at $24,100. Shiba Inu is planning to launch its own stablecoin, SHI. While other stable tokens are suffering collapse, with billions of dollars being completely wiped off the market, the major person behind Shiba Inu, Satoshi Kozama, says that SHI will not depend on market fluctuations. Shiba Inu team is working on the reward token, called Treat, The token will help provide balance to Shiba Inu stablecoin and derive rewards for the metaverse and the blockchain version of the Shiba collectible card game. The team has not revealed the tokenomics, but it is known that they have reserved a limited supply of treat for its most loyal breed members. As Shiba Inu explained, they helped develop the confidence to protect and grow the ecosystem with patience, energy, and support. Therefore, the developers will benefit from treat. Last but not least is the metaverse project Shiba Inu is working on. Built on Shibarium, an upcoming Layer 2 scaling systems for Shib, Shib the metaverse will feature 100,595 plots of land users will mint. As developer Eric M. explained, Shib the metaverse is a place where our community, tokens, game, SHIBASWAP, and way more is going to meet together. Shib the metaverse spans 4 different districts: Growth District, Defense District, Technology District, and Currencies District. In addition to minting land in this metaverse, users will be able to leverage Shib to add pictures and logos to land plots. Besides, they can spend Shib to name or rename land plots. Shib the metaverse is expected to launch within the next 6 months. Shitoshi Kusama, the lead developer of Shiba Inu, has announced that the highly anticipated Shib game called Shiba Eternity is now available in Vietnam. Kusama reveals that iOS users living in Vietnam could download the game on their smartphones. According to a tweet by Kusama, Vietnamese will only have access to a few game features. However, it plans to roll out more features soon. Vietnam. The game Shiba Eternity is now available for testing on iOS in your country. Looking for Shiba Eternity, this is an early stage of testing, and more features will be released in the future. Have fun experimenting. Kusama did not specify when Vietnamese using Android will be able to access Shiba Eternity. The development comes less than a month after Kusama notified Vietnamese residents of an upcoming update. Meanwhile, Kusama has also hinted that Indonesia could be the next country where Shiba Eternity will be rolled out. Shiba Eternity is the Shiba Inu card game Shib CCG. The game has been in development for several months. Popular Australian game developer Playside Studios will create and develop the game. Last month, Kusama revealed in a leaked Discord chat that the game is super strategic. Furthermore, Gossip shared a video showing what the game will look like. It's been nearly 100 days since Shiba Inu launched their burn portal in collaboration with Ryoshi Vision. The burn portal is run and maintained by Ryoshi Vision, who promised to deliver burn rewards for users during inception. The portal was launched on April 25, 2022 to remove Shib tokens from circulation and deliver burn rewards. However, the Shib team showed its concerns recently after Ryoshi Vision failed to initiate the rewards. Ryoshi Vision took full responsibility for the failure and addressed the issue, stating the team is working towards initiating rewards. "We are taking full responsibility for these delays and are actively working towards a rapid response and resolution," they tweeted. From April 25th to August 4th, the Shiba Inu burn portal removed over 61 billion tokens from circulation. Currently, 2,041 wallet addresses have joined hands together to initiate the burns. The overall price of the Shib burns combined on the portal stands at $732,531. The burns might reach $1 million by October this year. In addition, Shiba Play, a business arm of Shib Superstore, is also burning the tokens regularly. The Shib Superstore has burned a total of 2.5 billion Shib tokens, worth nearly $58,791. Many other businesses across the globe announced they would burn Shib from a small margin of their profits. That's a wrap for today. Don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see our latest content.